What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and I had somebody hit me up in the comments asking could I make a video showing how to find the key to a song inside FL Studio, so that's what we're gonna be working on today. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is once you got your sample loaded up, right click on the sample and go to Edit in Audio Editor. Then once you're inside the audio editor, you just gonna right click on the sample, go down to regions, and then click on Detect Pitch Regions. And that's gonna show you all of the notes that's being played inside that sample. And then if you zoom in, you can see all of the main notes that's being used as F, because this is an F minor. An easier way to find the key of a song or a sample if you got internet access is this website right here. Just go to tunebat.com/analyzer. And then you can select your files or just drop and drag them into this box, and it'll instantly give you the key to whatever song or sample that you selected. Alright, so that's 2 quick ways to find the key to a song or a sample that you're working on. I hope I was able to help you out with this video, and y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I got more videos like this on the way, but until the next one, I'ma holla at y'all. Peace.